I'm sure you've heard the news that numbers can influence more than just your math scores. What if I told you that your mobile number could be weaving a story of its own? Dive into the mystery of numerology with us. Imagine your mobile number isn't just a way to reach you, but a complex code influencing your health and relationships. Each digit, believe it or not, vibrates with an energy that could be boosting or busting your daily vibe. Now, think about the last time you had a bad day or a misunderstanding. Could your phone number be the culprit? By understanding the numerology behind your mobile digits, you might just unlock secrets that have been calling you all along. So, let's decode and discover. What's your number trying to tell you? Check your mobile number and those of your friends and family. Look for combinations like 1441, 1661, 6776, or 1881. You might be surprised by what you find.